Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another affordable video and we are going to be doing baking soda nails. So as you guys can see, I already prepped my nails off camera and I am going to be doing square shaped nails today, and I'm going to be doing the 3-colored ombre. So as you guys can see, all I'm using is a Kiss nail brush on glue, which was like $1 and some cents at Dollar General, a sponge that was $1 at Dollar Tree, and of course the baking soda and some sort of brush to dust off the dust. So as you guys can see right here, I will begin to place the nail glue right above the nail tip and the nail plate to create a nice apex, and then from there I'll start building up the nail. Okay guys, so this is what the nails look like after I finish building them up to my liking. So like I mentioned earlier, I will be doing square nails today. I wanted to change it up into, a different shape since I have been doing coffin. So as you guys can see, I'm using a file from Dollar Tree. It's really good. It's only $1, and I will be right now here, I'm just shaping the nail, and I'm just going straight down both ends of the nail and over the nail, just shaping as I go. So here it is. So these are the results after filing, buffing, and shaping the nails. I got a really nice square shape, and now we're going to move on to the colors and applying them to the nails. So as you guys can see, I decided to go for summery vibes today, and I decided to choose a yellow and then a light blue and then more opaque blue. So as you guys can see, I'm just applying it right now onto the sponge, and then I'm going to be applying them to all the nails. These are the final results of the nails. They look beautiful as you can see. I will now go off camera and clean around the cuticle areas and apply the top coat. And this top coat is from LA Colors. It dries really quickly and it's amazing. I definitely recommend it. It's only $8. So as you can see, these are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.